Welcome to our video on the art of grilling Korean barbecue brisket. In this video, we will share expert tips on how to achieve that perfect crispy texture on the grill. Korean barbecue brisket is a flavorful and popular dish known for its unique marinades and delicious char-grilled taste. We will guide you through selecting the right brisket cut, marinating techniques for maximum flavor, grilling methods to achieve that crispy exterior, and presentation tips to make your dish look as good as it tastes. Get ready to elevate your barbecue skills and impress your friends and family with the perfect Korean barbecue brisket. Selecting the right brisket cut is crucial for achieving a crispy outcome in Korean barbecue. Different brisket cuts offer varying levels of tenderness and fat content, which can impact the texture and flavor of the final dish. In this segment, we will explore the various types of brisket cuts commonly used in Korean barbecue and provide insights on how to choose the best one to ensure a crispy result. Understanding the characteristics of each cut will help you make an informed decision and elevate the quality of your Korean barbecue brisket. Marinating techniques play a crucial role in elevating the flavor and juiciness of your Korean barbecue brisket while still achieving that crispy texture. In this segment, we will unveil the secrets to marinating your brisket effectively, ensuring that each bite is bursting with delicious flavors. From selecting the right marinade ingredients to marinating durations and techniques, we will provide expert tips to help you master the art of flavor enhancement. By enhancing the taste profile of your brisket through proper marination, you can guarantee a mouth-watering and satisfying Korean barbecue experience. Grilling methods are essential for achieving the perfect char on your Korean barbecue brisket, enhancing both the flavor and texture of the dish. In this segment, we will delve into various grilling techniques that will help you attain a beautiful char on your brisket, imparting a smoky depth of flavor. From direct grilling to indirect heat methods, we will provide insights into how different techniques can elevate the overall grilling experience. Discover the secrets to mastering the grill and unlocking the full potential of your Korean barbecue brisket by achieving that coveted charred exterior. Presentation and serving are key aspects of creating a memorable dining experience with your crispy Korean barbecue brisket. In this segment, we will guide you on how to elevate your presentation skills and serve your dish with finesse. Learn valuable tips on garnishing ideas, plating techniques, and creative ways to showcase your perfectly grilled brisket like a professional chef. Impress your guests not only with the amazing flavors of your barbecue brisket, but also with the visually appealing presentation. Master the art of presentation and make every meal a special occasion with these serving tips.